All right, so as you can see, we got the ASR 10 right here, and we got a MacBook Air right here, and we're gonna be running Fruity Loops on that MacBook Air, and I'm gonna be sampling a lot of the sounds that I have from Fruity Loops into the ASR 10. So obviously you want to have it connected to the ASR 10 via the inputs. If you don't know how to do that, you tripping. Hit sample. We got the recording on left and right, but we're gonna put it on left though. Let's put it on left. And then you want to hit enter. And it's going to ask you to pick a sample instrument. We're going to go with number 1 right here. We're going to start with this 808 right here. I'm triggering the sounds with this joint right here. So let's go ahead and arm it to record by hitting enter. And it'll say waiting, and then boom. Press enter. Now we want that sub on middle C. Got that little pop in there too, but it's all good. Now, I want the 808 to go from C4 all the way to C8, which is like past this key. But in order to do that and have all of these other keys blank for my other sounds, I'm gonna go over to edit, press edit, pitch, and tab over till you see wave sample range. Hold on, let's go back. Wave sample range. And then we're going to press C4. Now, C4 to C8 is our starting key. Like C4 is our starting key, and it ends past this key, which is C7. Okay, now since we did that, all of these keys, all the way up to C4, they're blank. And that's where the rest of our sounds are gonna go, on all of these keys right here. So I'm gonna load up a few, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to save it. Repeat the process. Sample. Make sure we're on the left side, hit enter. Pick sample instrument. Since we're going with the same instrument, we wanna make sure it says new wave sample, okay? So we're gonna hit enter, and enter again, so it'll arm the record, and then we're gonna come over to Fruity Loops, and it started recording. We stop it as soon as we can to save memory. And then we want to hit our root note, which is going to be this one right here. Do the same thing like we did before. Make sure it stops on this key. And we move on to the next one. Same for the kick, same process. Pick sample instrument, hit enter. Stop it immediately, hit our root note. Same thing for the snare. Got a little snare right there. Let's hit sample, boom. Boom. Whoops, see, I made a mistake, see? So let's just go back, hit cancel, sample again, enter, pick the sample instrument, hit yes, enter again to arm it, then trigger your sound. Stop it immediately, and send it to the key that you wanted to go to. Now you want to have a formatted floppy disk or whatever type of disk that you use, SCSI, SD card, whatever you got. You want to have it formatted, and if it's not formatted, you do that by going over to Command after you put in the disk. And you tab over with System until you see Format Floppy Disk or Format SCSI or whatever you have. Once you do that, let's format it for, I always found it better on mine to go with the computer option. But yeah, you want to erase and format the disk. Let it do its thing. Once it's done formatting, you want to go over to Command, Instrument, and Save Instrument. Tab over till you see Save Instrument, name it whatever you want to name it, and hit Save. Once it's done, it'll say disk command completed. Let's try to load it up. We got it on this first instrument right here. We're going to put it on the third. Let's put it on the third one. And it's loading from the disk, as you can hear. Once it's done, it'll say file loaded. Pick the instrument. See his name right there. And here we go. So that's pretty much how you do it, man. I hope this video helped y'all, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm telling you, please do that. Bless the algorithm gods, man. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Peace.